Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next question of our aim for agriculture series. So as you all know that we are having aim for agriculture series in which we are having daily answer writing practice and weekly full tests. So today we are going to discuss the daily answer copy of day 32. Day 32. So we will see what were the questions asked and how the student has approached the answer. And by analyzing these types of answer can be helpful in your answer writing journey, in your own answer writing journey, because by analyzing these types of answers you can get to learn about how to structure the answers, how to use examples, how to write certain points, and all these things can be helpful to you. So let's see what were the questions asked and how the student has approached the answers. So the first question was, discuss the merits and demerits of bio drainage. So what bio drainage is? Bio drainage is a technique that uses plants to lower the water table and improve soil conditions by extracting excess water from the soil. So what is drainage? That is a water outlet from where the water can be removed. So in bio drainage we are using biological elements for the drainage of water. And what are those biological elements? Those biological elements or living organisms are nothing but plants. So here we take uses of plants to drain the excess water. For example, we can use eucalyptus tree, and we all know that eucalyptus is a water intensive tree. Water intensive tree, so its transpiration rate is very high. So what happens? It will quickly drain a lot amount of water. So in the body of the questions, the merits and demerits have been mentioned. So I will be discussing all the points briefly. If you want to read the answers in detail, you can pause the video on certain intervals and read the answers. Okay. So first of all, merits of biodrainage. So it has certain environmental benefits because it is an eco-friendly method. Okay, and here, for example, popular is used in Indo-Gangetic plains. Especially popular is also highly used in agroforestry. When you go to Punjab regions, when you go to Haryana regions, you will find a lot use of populars. It is a cost-effective method. It improves soil structure. Cost effective method. It improves soil structure. It is helpful in reducing soil salinity. It promotes sustainable agriculture because here are we are reducing the reliance on artificial drainage system. Many times machines are used for drainage which consume a lot amount of power. So here we are moving towards sustainability because of using of these trees. Okay, so these were the points. If you want to read it, if you can pause the video and read it, and you can see examples have been also nicely mentioned, so that makes your answer more beautiful. Now what are the demerits? First of all, limited application because it is not suitable for all types of soil, or it is not suitable for all climatic conditions, because for trees to grow also the trees require a certain amount of good climate for their growth. So that could be a limitation. Slow process because in bio drainage, as compared to some artificial machines, it is quite very slow. Okay, so that adds up the problem. And there could be potential of plant competition because suppose we are using biodrainage, we are using eucalyptus for biodrainage. So we all know that eucalyptus shows high amount of allelopathy. I have mentioned here also. It shows high amount of allelopathy. So it could be bad for the plants growing in the field. So only next problem is initial setup. Already it takes a lot of time to grow. The plants grow up to a certain age, then they can be effective in biodrainage. So that could be a problem. Maintenance is a problem. Management is a problem of those trees. So these are some of the limitations, and again appropriately concluded. So very well written answer. And if you want to read the answers in detail, you can pause the video and read the answer. Now let's move to the next question. Second question is, what is supply chain management and discuss its advantages. So what is supply chain management? It refers to the process of overseeing and optimizing the flow of agriculture products from farms to consumers. That is supplying something, supply chain, such suppose from producers to consumers. So in between there are various middlemen, there are various operators, there are various distributors. All these comprise into uh, the supply chain. You can see the student has made a flow chart also here, from production to processing to storage, distribution, retail. all are the parts of supply chain. Now, what are the advantages of supply chain management? First of all, it improves the efficiency. Okay, there are very less amounts of wastage if our supply chain is good, and operations and the delay in operations are reduced. We can reach to the consumers, we can reach to the target groups very early. Okay, there could be cost reduction in by optimizing the process. A significant amount of logistics cost can be reduced. There could be better quality control. It can be helpful in enhanced market reach. Supply A good supply chain can enhance our market reach. We can reach to different kinds of markets, to different kinds of consumers. It can also leads to sustainability if we have a good supply chain. So you can pause the video and read the points. It can lead to increased farmer income. Obviously, if there will be good supply chain, we will lead to enhanced amount of consumer, enhanced amount of markets, and we will get a good amount of income. And again, appropriately concluded. So very well written answer. So you can pause the video and read the answers in detail if you want to. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is, discuss the regions of wilting in plants. Also, discuss different types of wilting. So, what is a wilting? Wilting, you will be generally seeing that many plants, which instead of standing straight, we will see have been fallen in the ground. Their quality has reduced. The leaves have started to curve. So, all those are the symptoms of wilting only. So, wilting is a condition in plant where they lose turgor pressure, leading to dropping leaves and stems. So that is what wilting is. And generally wilting is a water related issue, but there could be various other factors also. Many times wilting can be through various infections, various diseases. Some attack of pests can also lead to wilting. So this is what wilting is. Now what are the regions of wilting? Obviously there are certain regions such as water stress. Sometimes overwatering can also lead to wilting. You can pause and read the points. High temperature can lead to wilting. Poor high temperature can lead to wilting. Poor soil conditions can lead to wilting. You can say examples of sunflower, marigold. So fairly written examples have also been fairly written. So that could be whenever you add examples in certain points, that enhances your answers. So please try to add these types of examples. Some diseases can be there. It could be some fungal or bacterial diseases such as fusarium wilt. As the name suggests, wilt, it leads to wilting. There could be pest infestation. There could be some transplant shock. So this can be the problems, because when plants are transplanted, suppose we are transplanting the plants from nursery to some field. So plant are not able to cope up with the new conditions, and that time you will be able to see the transplant shock. Now what are the types of wilting? The first type is the temporary wilting. Here what happens, the plant recover during the evening. Generally in temporary wilting, when there are hotter part of the day, the plant is under wilt, but whenever the conditions are good, the plant recover from it. So as the name suggests, temporary. So the wilting is for a temporary period only here. Next we have permanent wilting. Here the plant will die due to wilt. Okay, they will never be able to recover after wilting. Next we have incipient wilting. Here you will be not able to see the signs of wilting during the day, but that starts at night, indicates a chronic water deficit. Whenever there is incipient wilting, we can get an idea that there is chronic water deficit. So written points. Next one is physiological wilting. Due to generally physiological wilting happens due to deficiencies or exposures of some toxins. Generally it could be from some pathogens or some other organisms, and this is generally due to non-water related factors. Okay, so these are the types of wilting, and again appropriately concluded. So a very well written answer. I hope you like the video, you like the answers, and I hope you have paused the video at certain intervals and read the answers properly. That could be very helpful to you. So that is all for today. If you like it, please press the like button. Please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis पे ऐसे videos को बनाने के लिए काफी hard work लगता है. And if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you regularly. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.